welcome back again. This is HBM. So today I'll be teaching you how to make a simple DIY body wash. This body wash is actually a coconut milk body wash. So if you don't know, coconut milk is very good for the skin. It helps your skin glow. It even out the skin tone. It gives you a clearer skin complexion. Coconut milk has so many skin benefits it gives to your skin. So today I'll be teaching you how you can use it to make a body wash, and I am using a soap. So I'm using Dove soap as my base soap. So this is going to be our base for today. So right away I'm going to grate this soap. So I am making 500 ml or 500 gram of my body wash. So you just have to grate the whole of this soap. So here's my shredded soap, my shredded Dove soap. You can use any soap as your base, any soap. It's not must it should be Dove soap, but if you want to use your Dove soap, fine. This actually smells so nice, and Dove soap is naturally so moisturizing. Like if you have used this soap before, you will know that it's a moisturizing soap. It's a soap that is moisturizing, very moisturizing. So next, on my bigger scale, turn it on. So this is my coconut powder. Now if you don't have coconut powder, you can actually substitute the total water I'll be pouring here with your fresh coconut milk water. What I mean is that I am using coconut powder. Okay, so I'm going to add in distilled water to actually make everything a liquid. But if you don't have coconut powder and you want to use the fresh coconut, blend your coconut, extract the juice, and use the juice as the water for your body wash. I hope you understand me. Okay, so I'm going to add in my coconut powder. I'm using coconut powder because I'm a skincare formulator. I make products a lot. That is why I use the extract of all these herbs or all these fruits. Okay, but for you that you're making it at home, you can, I've told you how you can actually substitute. So I'm adding 50 gram of this. It's actually block a kind of 50 gram of my coconut milk powder. That's a lot. Still on my scale, I'm going to add in my water. Please, I'm using distilled water. Don't go and use tap water. You have to use distilled water that is free from every iron charge. I'm adding in my distilled water. This kettle is actually a kettle I use in my factory. I use this to make only skincare products. I use this to actually heat up my water. Here it is. You just keep stirring. The soap is almost dissolved. So I'm trying to dissolve the coconut powder in here. You can equally stick blend at this period. You can stick blend it. So at this point, I'm going to add in my aloe vera juice. You can use your aloe vera plant from your garden. You get your aloe vera, you split it into two, you extract out the juice from the aloe vera. If you don't have this one is actually the one I use for making cosmetics. I'll be dropping all the measurements on the screen. So right here, I'm adding in my aloe vera juice. Here I'm adding in my glycerin. So my glycerin is going to add more moisturizing effect to this soap. In case you don't have glycerin, you can add in your honey into the soap, honey. But I am using glycerin. So I'm going to add in my preservative here. At this point, I want to stick blend because I want every ingredient here to be well mixed. So you just keep your blender at a place or in the middle. Don't start creating bubbles. Can you see the way I'm doing it? And that's it. Perfect body wash. Coconut milk body wash. Very milky. I made 500 gram on the dot. You're seeing here is just the ladder, the foam. Okay, I made 500 gram on the dot. So if you follow this measurement, you're going to get 500 gram quantity of your body wash. So this is your coconut milk body wash. Coconut milk body wash can help to lighten dark spots and other blemishes like fine lines and wrinkle on the skin. And again, it will help to smoothen the skin. It will help to moisturize the skin, hydrate your skin. It also helps to maintain your skin elasticity. That means nothing like stretch mark, nothing like green vein popping up on your skin. This body wash lathers very, very well. On your children's skin, you can use it on adult skin. You can sell this, you can make this for yourself at home. So watch this video, like and share the video.